Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Pro. In this video, I will talk about how to create free AI animation videos for YouTube. I will guide you through the step-by-step process of creating an animation videos. Before we start, I want to give a huge shout out to Truly Office, the #1 alternative Microsoft Office. If you're tired of paying monthly fees of Microsoft Office, introducing Truly Office, the affordable one-time purchase alternative. Truly Office offers all the essential apps you need: word processing, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. Plus, enjoy a free 30-day trial to see if it's right for you. Truly Office seamlessly syncs across devices so you can access your documents anytime, anywhere, and switching between platforms is a breeze. Truly files are compatible with Microsoft Office and Google Suite, ensuring smooth collaborations and file sharing. So open and save files in any format like Docs, Excels, and more with no issues. The good thing is you can get 15% discount if you use my coupon code. Coupon code is also mentioned in the video description. Head over to trulyoffice.com now and try it free for 30 days. Use code TechPro15 for an exclusive discount on your purchase. Remember, Truly Office is yours forever with a single payment. So what are you waiting for? Right now the link is available in the video description. So now let's move on to our video. So let's get started. We will use Adobe Express for this. The link to this website is available in the video description. Here you will see make animations for YouTube for free. Turn your voice into a standout animation character for your YouTube. Get started quickly and easily using Adobe Express. So click make animations for YouTube. From here you need to click on characters. Here you can choose any character. You can see we have many characters. You can also choose any category like new humans creators. We have also other category like food and emojis. You can choose a character of your choice. Then you need to choose background. You can see we have different backgrounds here and you can choose anyone which you like. You can also choose solid background. You can choose any color. From color picker you can choose any color. Or if you are not satisfied with the back notes, you can also upload any image from your computer that you want to use as a background. Next we have size option. You can also choose any size like for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Snapchat, TikTok, or you can also select the custom size. So for example, I want to upload it on YouTube. So I will choose YouTube and you can also scale the character size. You can also zoom in and zoom out. And the next step is how you can record the voice on your character. Here you have option of record. If you click on it, then you will speak here and then character will react like that. Or you can choose any audio file. If you have previously recorded the audio, you can choose your audio file from your computer. It will process your audio files. Here you need to wait a few seconds and your video is ready. You can also download it for free. And you can upload it on your YouTube channel. So you can download it on your computer. You can upload it to your YouTube channel. And here you can earn a lot of money. So that's it for this video on how to create a free AI animation video for YouTube using Adobe. We hope this video was helpful and informative. Remember to experiment with different characters and techniques to find the best fit for your YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Take care. Allah Hafiz.